Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to create AI product videos for your Shopify store using Pictory AI in 2025. So step 1, go to Pictory.ai and sign up for an account. Now choose a plan that includes video creation using product links or descriptions. Step 2, head over to your Shopify dashboard and copy your product title and key features, or export your product CSV for bulk use. Step 3, in Pictory AI, click the script to video or product to video if available, and then paste your product title, bullet points, or description. Step 4, choose a video style. In 2025, Pictory offers templates optimized for Shopify, including square, landscape, and vertical formats. Step 5, customize the visuals. You can change product images, stock clips, music, and AI voiceover. Make sure to highlight key benefits and a clear call to action. Step 6, export your video. Pictory AI lets you download or directly upload to Shopify via the embed code or video section. And now you are ready to boost conversions with high quality AI product videos on your Shopify store. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.